All right, next let's learn how to make ginger, carrot, and lemon cane juice. That is an amazing combination, friends, and it tastes so good. Coming right up. Very simple to make. Okay, this one to make the ginger, carrot, and lime. What you're going to want to do is you want to split your cane in half, okay? Take your knife and split it from the top about 50%, all right? See that? Okay. Very easy. Just be careful with your knife. Okay, you put your ginger and your carrots and then put your lime on the end, okay? I want you to see that. I poked it right through the middle, all right? Put your ginger in first, then your carrots, then your lime. Then turn on the machine. Okay, this is how easy the Mighty Mini is to use. I'm able to film this and do it at the same time, all right? Now, what you do is you'll squeeze this a bit to keep it together as you push the lime in, all right? So push the lime in, all right? Now, hold it, all right. Now it's sending that all through, okay? All that is going through. Now, look at the colors. That is carrot, lime, and the ginger mixed in one. This would be an amazing cold fighter, friends. This would be, you know, they call the breakfast of champion drink. That ginger will definitely light up your life if you're not used to it, okay? So here's the remnants in the back. You can see the carrot that is squeezed there. The ginger is already pulverized on the inside, and there's no lemon to be found, all right? All right, I'm going to be drinking this super cold fighter, super body protector, cleanser. I mean, just think about all the benefits that are in ginger, in carrot, and in lemon with healthy, natural cane juice, all right? Give it a try here. Wow. Ginger is definitely the strongest in there. I had 2 slices of ginger in this. And then the carrot is this little tiny aftertaste of the carrot, and definitely taste the lemon. This tastes like, you know, when you want to drink something, like if you have a cold and you definitely want to fight it and kick the cold's ass. This is the drink right here, friends. This is cane juice, lemon, ginger, and carrot mixed all in one.